Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your phone can expose advanced camera controls. Use a Camera 2 Probe app to check support. Once done, choose whether you will install a G-Cam port for computational features or an iPhone-style UI APK for appearance. Make sure to grant camera, storage, and microphone permissions immediately so apps function. Also free up 2-3 GB of storage and restart your device. This prevents permission conflicts and gives you a clean state to install and test the camera software. You now install the chosen APK, and if using Gcam, place the provided XML config into the correct folder and reload it. This tailors settings to your model and unlocks HDR plus and night modes. Make sure to set resolution and enable RAW/DNG if you want manual editing later, and toggle stabilization and lens parameters to match your hardware. As you adjust, take bracketed test shots to compare exposure and white balance. This iterative tuning yields the best, most iPhone-like results on Android. You finish by mapping controls and customizing the UI so the mode switch and exposure slider match the iPhone layout. This makes operation familiar. Then run daylight and low-light test sequences, save working XML profiles, and backup app settings so you can restore them quickly. If the app crashes or the camera fails, clear the app cache and storage, reinstall, or try a different port. If problems persist, check Camera 2 support again or revert to the stock camera while you compare logs and configs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.